Today, my friends, today I challenge my friends, my friend, to play PvP mode in Toilet Tower Defense.
Mama,
Okay,
pwede
ano,
may palit.
let's get right to it. Bro, you ready? Bro, y'all ready? Okay, I ready. Okay, let's go. Wait, I think I forgot to equip my crew.
Yep.
Wait, you also forgot to equip two?
Nope. I didn't equip it because I usually didn't buy something else. Just usual.
Bro, I actually think that I forgot to equip anything.
Yeah, I already got my own crew.
By the way, bro, does the game let you? By the way, bro, does the game let you play? By the way, bro, does the game let you pick your army before the match? In case if you
Maybe.
forgot.
Because I don't really forget. I'm gonna set my money makers.
Oh my god.
I'm
bro,
gonna
I
set
think
my
I'm
money
actually
makers.
like.
I'm gonna set my money makers.
Oh, I actually didn't forgot. That's good. No, bro, don't auto skip, bro.
I already got money makers. I'm gonna take some
Ohio
damage.
cameraman. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot. Actually, so forgot. Bang, bang, bang. Bro, how's
Yeah,
yours?
I already got
How's yours, bro?
good.
The gameplay's at your side. That's good.
I'm getting my money makers.
By the way, bro, did you know that the speaker woman Rose Farm is actually a scam?
Yes, that's true.
Like the price is so high, but then what you get is literally so trash.
Yep. Dude, I already gotta place my fifth one.
Bro, I got my Ohio cameramans.
Dang, bro, just got.
Dang, bro, just don't auto skip, bro. Bro, I told you don't auto skip.
Uh-huh.
Don't you
I
dare
told
auto
you I got
skip ever
better.
again. Bang, okay. I literally got an army of them.
Hey, look at my cyborg. Look at my seat pen.
I hate you.
Dude, this costs 400.
Bro, don't skip. Okay, I'm gonna skip.
I'm gonna upgrade it instead. I'm gonna upgrade my money makers.
I actually used my most useful brainage ever
Who is it?
because I literally used the one from the
Oh,
endless waves.
oh shit! I forgot I have 10 health. I'm getting prepared.
Wait, we only actually get 10 health. I
Yep.
thought, bro, it's 400.
Bro,
Low tower, bro is so losing.
not done.
I sell this guy, sell and sell, and turn those into these and these.
Hey, do you put your mirror TV, man?
No, not yet. Why?
Look at that. I got 2 cyborg.
Bro, no one cares. Brody said he got 2 cybers. Bro, when these came from another universe, get up. I'ma have my mutant man. Bang. Sing. Sing.
Dude, you're not gonna nothing better to my cyborg clan. Dude, I
Yeah, sure.
Yay, free money.
Yeah, well, here's the thing. More money for me. More fun
More money
for
for
me.
me. No.
Nah, not the glasses toilet. Not the glasses toilet.
Bro, stink. Close to stink. Like Shrek.
Bro, you don't have enough money for that. Kiera!
I got,
Large
I'm
glasses
making,
toilet. I'm the most rich
200
one.
I'm making 200 money per wave.
Large money per wave. Per wave?
Yep, 200 per wave.
You're making 200 per wave.
Yep. Oh, beep,
Hmm.
beep. Beep, beep, beep. It's time to upgrade my...
Lang.
I already got a minigun.
You already got a mini. Wait, what? I don't know. I forgot.
Yeah, I told you. You shouldn't watch Dumb Studio.
I should have watched Dom Studio. Bro. If I see Dom Studios bro, I literally take no damages at all. Bro, that is so crazy.
And I didn't get damage all the time. I just...
Yeah, well, here's the thing. You literally got damaged and now you only got 10 health left, but I
Oh,
still got
fuck.
400 health. Oh no, glasses toilets here.
But I
Let's
don't
put
care
some TV
anyway. I
man
got
down.
I'm gonna put my toxic.
Bang. Oh my god, bro, literally got distracted so much.
I gotta put my first difficult to it. I gotta put my difficult unit.
Mine.
Dude, I gotta put my
9.
first mythic.
Oh, almost died. I'm still fine though.
I'm still fine though.
Dang. Dang.
Good luck. Dude, even my... How much health do you got?
They escape. Bro, I can't even upgrade.
Dude, even my
Bang.
men just do the job.
I upgraded I upgraded my microwave man.
Dude, even my men just do the job.
Dang. Okay, now I'm cooking. Bro, I'm literally so cooking. We are so
I'm gonna sit
cooking.
on my boba. I'm going to sit my boba.
Dude, I am so cooking.
Dude, I'm almost cooked.
Bro is so almost cooked. Guys,
so
get
close.
him. Get him. Get him. Bottom skinny with toilet down.
Dude, they got... I'm
Almost died. No!
They go to the lobby. If you wanna get... If you wanna make... If you're gonna
No,
get...
wait. Lobby.
Okay, this is so...
Wait, Han. I lost Arana. No, I lost Arana. Okay, Han. Let me equip one of my most powerful men or women.
What's it?
I don't know. But it's strong. Bro.
What?
Can I trade you with two sauce
Why? Or...
because I want my acid thrower back.
And you're gonna own me... You're gonna own me another one.
No, I don't want another one. I mean, you can literally just add friendly right now.
And you're gonna own me one. You're gonna own me something, okay?
No.
Go back to... Dude, just gonna go... Ace, just go to... Ace, go back to the private server while I'm going to...
Bro, I'm already in the the server of public, so you have to join me.
Dude, I have to go to my private server so I can get another asset.
Okay, but I'm still recording.
Yep, just tell your viewers my friend is gonna be back for a sec.
You're gonna be back for a sec.
Yep. I'm still on the way. Yeah, I'm gonna teleport to Trading Plaza. Hey, I forgot I only use Santa TV, right?
And I joined your server.
What's it? Dude, there's so many. Dude, there's so many ultimates.
What?
There's so many ultimates. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 ultimates. Man, server gone crazy.
Wait, what is that? What?
If you don't believe me, join me.
Dang, bro.
Bro,
I already joined your private server.
Dude, there's somebody still a streamer cameraman. Just for
Nah,
205,
that's a scam.
250.
Bro, that's a
Dude, there's
scam.
somebody
Bro, that's a scam.
says-
That's a scam.
Yep. Dude, there's no toxic. Are you kidding me? Dude, no way. There's so many server with ton of godlies right now. Dude, there's no way Thailand Trick just add a new unit right now. Bro just want more money. I knew Thailand Trick will just do that. I know it.
I already got signed.
I just AFK for a bit. While I'm gonna buy something I just need. Dude, it's still...
Bro, let me get my best man. Bro, you good?
Dude, I'm still lagging.
Bro, so laggy. No, I already got 18 coins left. Bro, are you gonna join me?
Yeah, but dude, there's no stock. Yeah, I forgot that. I'm fucked. I'm dumb.
Bro, I'm still recording. You forgot.
No way, there's no server. Gonna try something else. Fine, I'm gonna pick something else. I think that's a live drill anyway.
The OG dude, the OG lucky speaker, man. Also need my maker.
I'm gonna join you anyway. Dude, there's no stock. There's no toxicum in stock.
I'm gonna get an epic thrower and pineapple. And for the last one. Let's get this one.
Dude, you wanna
Money
play that?
maker. Money
Thanks.
maker.
Hey, dude, you're gonna do Ace. I got a question.
What is it?
Do you wanna play the Thanksgiving table?
No.
You said you wanted Thanksgiving. Do this.
I don't. Anyway, round 2 of 1v1.
Ace, there's some Ace, one just released a new video.
Yeah, I know, but I was. Bro, just join me.
I'm joining.
Okay, now go to PvP mode.
I hope I didn't glitch out.
Okay, guys, we are here. Anyway,
I just need to start a unit.
come on to that
first.
bang. Tira. Bro's cooldown is 2 seconds.
I just done.
Get out, bro. Get it, bro. I really need to.
No, I gotta
follow.
skibidi camo. Camo toilet. Skibidi toilet. Skibidi skibidi. Did you watch Avocado Place?
No, I don't like brain rot.
Sayum.
Osai, niga, niga.
Come on, when I gonna put my study in? I just want to put this fast.
Bro forgot what. Bro is gonna know what are what guy am I gonna use that is a toilet, dude. Actually, most of dude. Actually, most
Look at my unit, dude. Look at my unit.
bro,
Hey,
prob-
look at my unit.
bro. Probably most of my units is actually toilets.
Then bro just it's a legendary or mythical. Dude, what is it? Mythical or legendary? Dude, I got my units now.
Get one more, guys, get one more, you'll see.
Dude, what is it? Dude, what is this brand? Legendary or common?
Bang, bro, don't skip.
I skipped by accident, sorry.
Liar.
Man, I just want the money.
With the one toilet boot for
Hey, why not upgrade it?
with the one toilet has a 2 second cooldown.
Ace, what is your unit? Is it legendary or mythic?
It's rare.
That's quite good. That's pretty decent.
Get him, but guys, bro, get him. Bro, don't skip.
Yeah, sure, whatever, until we finish. Ace, you got my unit. Look at my unit. Ace, look at my unit.
Okay, now there's protectors in the back of the line. Close. In near the blue tower is protecting. If any
Dude, is that rare? Ace, is that rare?
it's legendary.
Oh, pretty decent.
What do you mean by pretty decent? It's cool.
Yeah, that's cool, but pretty good.
Wait, actually it's epic.
Oh, we got the wolves. Dude, look at my units.
Pripauske.
Dude, I know this one. I know this girl's farm is some.
Yeah, well, I didn't put it yet. I didn't put it
Look
yet.
at that. Ace, look at my Germans.
Huh? Germans? German line? What the? Bro is not him. Dude, did I got your drill?
Bro, you said you can He said you want your...
By the way, bro, I actually got a flamethrower toilet. But I'm sure it's not a flame. I thought it was the acid one.
Dude, I still
Because it literally
Dude, I
said,
still got 204 health. I still got 240 health.
by the way, I still did not.
I'm just gonna send one more unit.
Bang, 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 bang. Let me put some.
I'm going to EFK for a bit.
What? I'ma eat.
Ow! My ankle! I'm back.
Go to it.
Ace,
Yeah.
how much money do you got?
$56.
$52?
Yeah.
52?
Now it's 68. Now it's 74.
Dude, can I skip? Oh yeah.
No.
You skip. Oh fuck! Instead I just pressed upgraded.
By the way, bro, I actually don't like the C pen
Why?
or the pencil mech just because he literally just took out just took out innocent people.
Yeah, that's true. Wait, do you watch Tom Studio?
No.
How do you know?
It's all over.
It's all over the wiki.
Yeah. Let me cook this large glass toilet.
Yeah, I gotta. If you cook it, I'm gonna eat it.
The fuck?
Yum yum yum.
What the fuck?
Let me eat those toilets.
Hey yo. By the way, I actually need to get to $100 to
Yummy.
$1,000,
It's quite yummy.
and then you'll see. Mommy,
If you eat the skippy toilet,
mommy,
alright?
are you making lemon?
Yummy.
Wait,
Did you try lunch with me?
bro, literally leaves. Okay, hi. Eating
I'm gonna
ASMR.
eat those toilets alive.
Darren,
One more.
I got the boss. You will go toilet. Be gone. Be gone, bro. Bye bye. I got the cat toilet.
Dude, I barely bite those toilets. For dinner.
When bro's eating, be like, yum, yum, yum. Kiera. Kiera. Here's a piece.
Dude, I rather eat those toilets. Let me eat
Oh,
them.
I did
Yummy.
it.
But I didn't eat them all.
I need a flamethrower. Bro, time to release my magic.
Dude, like,
Whee! Oh my god.
look at him, mama.
Hey, bro, I actually got the rocket launcher. I actually
Say
got
hi
the.
to you.
Hey, bro, I
Say
actually
hi.
got the rocket launcher toilet.
Dude, do you hear my kitten hi?
I hate it. Bro, I mean, the cat that I tamed literally died.
Dude,
Bro is
What
not
is it?
onto him.
Dude, my cat aggressive because I keep annoying him so much. Mamacita! Dude, even my cat tried to jump
Almost
scare
die,
me.
almost die, almost die, almost
Yum,
die.
yum, 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 yum. Free food.
Why is bro so loud at eating?
Up with him.
By the way, bro, eat your cat like a Chinese.
Oh! If I try to eat my cat, my brother just stops it and try to change. Dude, even my brother's attacks change my mind. How can I bring my unit? Oh, it's time to bring my Titan cameraman into the battle. Boy, you're gonna send him to the battle.
By the way, bro, I actually need By the way, bro, I actually need $2,000.
Why? Did you equip my Titan cameraman, right?
I actually used the acid one. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am literally so done for. I am so done for, guys. I'm so done for. Nah.
GG.
Okay, okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.